Okay,
bad.
it's planned.
This is Colin's piece of fucking shit.
Okay, we're gonna start out our magical journey right here in the front. GMC. Get the license plate nice and close. Police officers, this is it. We're gonna move around to the side of this piece of shit. So, there's the tires. More shit. This is what we call a GMC Sierra. Let's get a look at this shitty interior. I just got kicked in the ass by Colin. This is his truck, by the way. Piece of fucking shit. Ow. So let's move around to the back. Ow. Got his lights up here. Some more crap right around here. There's his brain bucket down there in the corner. Here's his rebel flag. There's a rebel flag back here on his windshield. I think a rainbow flag would suit him better, but he decided rebel. 4x4. Just move around. Oh, there's the back license plate. And we're just gonna end the tour here with a nice view of the side view of the truck. And that's it.